Josh from Jsai Aero here. I've got the red S15 up today. While it's there, I thought I'd show you just how easy it is to install our OG front lip on the OEM front bar. Now I'm going to show you the tools that I like to use, the mounting hardware and how it's used on the installation, and hopefully answer some of the questions you guys have about this product. Now this product, like all our products, are handmade by us at our workshop here in Australia. And being an aftermarket product, we highly recommend you do a trial fit before you prime and paint. Now, let's get started. All our lips will come pre-drilled and they're supplied with all the mounting hardware that you need. They're going to come with 9 of these 8mm bolts and 2 of these standard 10mm nut and bolts and washer combinations. Now, in terms of mounting locations, we use the 2 square holes at the back of the bar as mounting points to get you started. And if you are doing this on your own, I highly recommend getting yourself a pair of these clamps. They're going to work like another pair of hands for you and hold the lip into place while you're doing the installation. Now, I've just pulled this out of the bag. I'm going to line up the large holes at the back with the square holes at the back of the bar. Now, you just want the lip to sit in front of this small edge that's on the standard bar, like so, and line up the hole. And with your clamp, hold it in place. Do the same thing on the other side. Yep, correct position. Now, with those 2 standard nut and bolts and washers, line the hole up, put the bolt in there, put your washer and your nut, finger tight is good. Same thing on the other side. Now you want them finger tight because we're going to adjust the bar in just a few moments. Just the lip, sorry, in just a few moments. So come out from under the car. You can adjust it back and forth. If you want more adjustment, you can elongate the holes and you can take it further in or out if you like. Now, I like to use an impact drive just with the 8mm bolts. With the pre-drilled holes, you start with the center and you just screw it into place. Now, if you do not have an impact drive, that is no trouble. You can get a drill and you can pilot hole into the plastic. If you don't have a drill, that's no problem as well. The screws we use, they're quite a coarse-headed thread and they are self-tapping. So you can literally hold the bolt up to the plastic and with enough force up against it, the screw will, or the bolt, whatever you want to call it, will hold itself into place. Now, after you've done that, I like to go to the sides. Just put a 10mm on it. If you got a spanner, it's going to make things easier. Tighten them up. After you've done that, 8mm, and just go ahead and screw the remaining screws into place, like so. Down and on the ground, you can see this lip does change the height of the car. Now, by installing this, you are going to lose about 4 centimeters ground clearance. It's just something to keep in mind when purchasing a product like this. Now, if you have any other questions about this product or any of the other huge amount of parts we make for the JDM sports cars, you can send us a message on our website, jsai.com.au, or you can send us a message on our Facebook or Instagram. Don't forget guys, we do ship Australia-wide and worldwide. That'll be it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.